Diamante here, and today I am cooking for you again. Hopefully this one goes better than last time. If you guys didn't see my last cooking video, it worked out, but it was pretty funny. You can go ahead and check that out right here, and it's pretty delicious and hilarious. But hopefully this one goes a little bit smoother. So I know we're dealing with a lot right now. I know the coronavirus is really scary and it's affecting everybody. Most of us are staying home and kids are staying home and we're having to stock up on food. So I wanted to share a recipe that was like something your kids are gonna love, the whole family's gonna love it, and it has potatoes, which most of us have, and it's just super, super, super delicious. This is literally one of my favorite recipes ever that my mom has ever made, and I just love it. But real fast, before we get into the video, I have a big announcement that I'm so excited about. I have a brand new single called LaLaLa, Not Listening, coming out officially on April 10th, 2020. So I'm so stoked about that. I know we can't go out to clubs, but you can certainly dance away in your living room. So just look forward to that. That is coming on April 10th. Also, if you guys don't mind, if you haven't already, clicking that subscribe button and hitting that bell to make sure you're actually getting the notifications of when I upload, because I am uploading every single week and you don't want to miss something. Let's get into chef mode. Voila! Let's get started. Potato. All right. Tortillas. Potatoes and tortillas. Wait. I need also canola oil. Gotta make it look sexy. It's not sexy. So, super simple ingredients. We've got tortillas, we've got potatoes, and we've got some canola oil. And then there's gonna be some salt and pepper and comino. And that's pretty much all you need for this. It's really, really, really freaking easy. We had it in the cupboard. Like that. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is wash and peel your potatoes. So I'd say get like 3 or 4 good-sized potatoes, like these. I mean, it really depends on your household. Give them a little quick rinse. Peel them potatoes. Whoa. Okay. Once you've got your potatoes peeled, I'm gonna give them another little quick rinse. Get that dirty dirt off them. Okay, and we're ready to start chopping. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is just pop those little potatoes onto this little cutting board. We're gonna cut them into just halves, just around the same size. That way they boil and cook really evenly, and then we're gonna cook them on the stove. So, got our clean potatoes, and just gonna kind of grab your pot. Your cooking pot, guys. This is not 420 here. Okay. You go over there, sir. I need this. This thing keeps like lid. So. Ow. Yeah. Okay, put some water in it, bring it to a boil. Basically, just make sure you got enough. Oh, wait. Basically, just make sure you got enough water so that it covers the potatoes, alright? Bring it to a boil. And now we wait. So, how's your day been? I don't think you've even gotten to see how tall this freaking hat is. Let me just show you. It took so long to get into the frame. Oh man. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot, because it literally is hot. Be careful. There we go. Cover them back up. Let them boil. Boom! eyebrows. There we go. So we're waiting again. We just need to make sure they're soft enough to like put a fork through and it'll just like, it won't be hard, it'll just like, you know? All right, grab your fork. We're gonna test out these little puppies. We're gonna see if they're soft enough. Nope, already this one. Nope. See, it's still too difficult to put my fork through. This one's a little better. They still need more time for sure. Be patient, guys. Be patient. You got all the time in the world. All right, so it's been a little bit more time, so now we're gonna check them again. Let's see how soft these babies are. Ooh, there we go. Now these babies are ready. My fork goes through really nicely. Yeah, they're ready. Okay, we're gonna put these into a bowl of mixing. It's a lot of bowls. Oh, really should have prepared for this. We've got a bowl now. So let's go ahead and scoop these out. Drain the water. This is why it's important to have a little spoon with the little slots in them. See? Always thinking, always thinking. While I was waiting for these potatoes to finish, I actually made a TikTok. So if you guys are not following me on TikTok, go ahead and check that one out because it's a doozy. The link is in the description. Got our potatoes. Let's adjust this camera now. Come this way. Come on. Don't be shy. And don't bite all the time. Okay. Cover this up because it looks nasty. It looks nasty. Get out of the shot. Now what we're going to do is mash them. But I want to leave a little bit of a chunk to them. It's going to hold together nicer inside of the tortilla. I'm using a fork once again, much like in my other video. I know I do not use the standard utensils, but you know, it works. So now we're getting the spices. I can't get past this camera. Just pass them to me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Put some of this in there. Gives it a nice Mexican flavor. That's what you're going for. Some salt, some pepper. All right, that's our first trial. Let's mix it up. It's basically just to taste. I don't know like measurements or anything like that. I don't got that for you, but just to taste. Let's see. Actually, that's pretty good. These are not standard mashed potatoes. That's why I'm not adding any milk or butter to them because we want them, like I said, to still have some chunk to them. I don't know what this hand motion is supposed to mean, but chunky. You know what I mean? Oh, technically a chef never eats off of a fork and then puts it right back in the bowl. But I'm not serving a boatload of people, okay? I'm only serving me and my husband, and he don't care. That's pretty damn good. All right. Next thing we're gonna do, the tortillas. Now, the tortillas here are very important. You cannot just take a cold tortilla, slap it on there, put some potatoes, and put it in the fryer. It will fall apart, and when you try to fold it, it'll just rip, like it's not gonna be good. So you have to heat these babies up first. Pop them into the microwave. That way they just get a little bit of heat on them. They get a little loosey-goosey, you know, ready to party, kind of a thing like that. That's the kind of tortillas we want. Ready to party tortillas. This doesn't smell weird. They're fine. Oh yeah, also, these kinds of tortillas that already are ripped, like they've got like this weird wrinkle in them. Like this is not gonna work for your potato tacos because if you try to put something in this, the potato's just gonna come out. You want some nice, beautiful, gorgeous, maybe it's Maybelline tortillas. That's what you're looking for. 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna start with 10. Oh, pop them in for about, do like 2 minutes. Look at this. It just looks beautiful, doesn't it? Let's start heating up our oil while that's going. I just got a new pan and I'm so excited about it. It's got walls on it. I'm breaking out the new pan. Hey, 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 what? Okay, check out this wall right here. All of my pans literally had such short walls that I spill everything everywhere when I cook. So I went and got this baby. I don't know why I'm so out of breath, but when the gyms are open, I'm going back to the gym. So let's put some oil in here. So now, this part is very important. Pay attention. These tortillas are gonna be a little stuck together. It's just how the microwave works. You need to gently peel them, gently go around the edges, unstick them without ripping any of them. Kind of go like this, cool them off a little. Okay, so now these are all ready to go. They're all separated. Before you put it into the tortilla, take it in your hands. Obviously, make sure you have clean hands, which I do. Take it in your hands and just kind of mash it together like this. That way, it's not just a bunch of little crumbs that are gonna fall out all over the place. You put that in here, close it up, and squish them to the sides. Kind of move it around, but make sure there's still a little bit of room on the sides. You don't want it to go all the way to the edges. You see? There's still some side right there. So that's what you want. Put these in here, slide them down the side. Just let them fall in there, all right? It's happening. Oh my god, this thing, I'm not gonna be able to see pretty soon. It's happening, you guys, it's happening! They look amazing! To make this like more authentically Mexican, I mean, there's a lot you gotta do. Usually, the dish is like you put cabbage, you put queso fresco, you put salsa, you put a little bit of hot sauce on top of that, and then you're good. But these are also delicious without all that stuff. Your kids, if they like a more plain diet, then this is perfect for them. But if you like to add salsa and stuff like that, I'm gonna make a quick salsa. So there you have it, guys. Like 3 or 4 potatoes will make you like about 20 tacos. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to make a really quick salsa for this. All right. So we need some onion, we need some tomatoes, we need some garlic, we need some oregano, we need some cumin, we need some salt. I'm gonna do like 4 of these tomatoes. These are actually really nice sized tomatoes. Perfect. Rinse those babies off. One of the beautiful things about the salsa is we're gonna make it all in the blender, so it's gonna be a lot faster. So we're just gonna cut it like this. Okay, put it in the fours. I think I'm gonna cut them each in half again, just to make them a little smaller. The reason being is because I want my salsa to still have a little bit of chunk to it. I don't want it to be completely liquefied. So I'm not gonna add water, so I want my blender to be able to handle it better. So I'm just gonna cut these babies one more time. We've got our little pieces here. I'm gonna put that into the blender. For the onion, we just need a little piece of it. Like literally I already have some chopped here. I think I'm gonna put in like this much. Okay? Throw that in there. Just 1 clove of garlic. It's like this big. Not too big, not too small. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of cumin, a little bit of oregano. Always be careful with strong spices like these. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna put some salt. Now, again, I'm not gonna add any water to this. If I absolutely have to, I'll add like the teeniest amount, but we're gonna try with no water, see how it goes. Oh, jeez. Okay, blend your salsa. Actually, I'm gonna pulse it first. Ooh, this is working nicely. There we go. Oh, one thing I did forget. Ugh, my mom's gonna hate me for this because she needs spice. you add like some dried chili to it. So you add like one of these so that it's still mild but just has a little kick. Just so you know at home, you can do that. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. We've got our meal. Let's present it to you. Alrighty, you guys, look at these babies right here. Woo! Sexy. See, that's what I was looking for, that sexy golden look. Look at that. And then to top it all off, you guys, I mean, we've got our salsa with it. Look at this. Frothy deliciousness. I'm telling you, if you try this meal, you make this meal for your family. I guess that's it. You can't make it for your friends because we're not allowed to hang out with each other. Everybody in your house is gonna love it. It's so good. You can have it with the salsa or without it. It's delicious either way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun making it and I'm gonna have way more fun eating it. Guys, just a reminder, I have a brand new single called LaLaLa, Not Listening, and it is coming out on April 10th, 2020, of course, this year. So in a few weeks. If you haven't checked out my last single release, go ahead and look at my page and you'll find Who Am I? Check that out, comment on it, say Chef Rochelle sent you, she'll know what you're talking about. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you're pressing that bell to make sure you actually get those notifications of when I upload. If you don't hit the bell, you don't get the notification. Also guys, all of my social media links are in the description below. If you want to follow me, that'd be cool because I just want to be friends wherever possible. I've got a brand new TikTok and I have been posting things. I'm having so much fun with it. In fact, I just posted a TikTok while I was filming this video. So if you want to go check that out, link is in the description. Comment below, let me know what you thought. If you try this at home, let me know what your family thought about it. Let me know what you thought about it. Stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands. Try to just stay home, enjoy family quality time. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye!